Greetings, RV shoppers. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in Williamston, South Carolina, where grand adventures meet unparalleled elegance. We're delighted to unveil a CARFAX one-owner 2018 Entegra Aspire 44B with 60,000 miles, priced at a remarkable $199,900. This 45-foot Class A diesel pusher, crafted on a robust Spartan K2 TAG AXLE chassis, showcases the opulent 44B floor plan with 4 full-size slide-outs and 1.5 baths, sleeping 2 in refined comfort. Adorned in the breathtaking autumn berry full-body paint package with glossy gold, maroon, and cream-colored striping, this RV exudes elegance. Powered by a formidable Cummins 450 horsepower diesel engine. Join us for a captivating tour to discover every luxurious detail of this premium motor coach. Let's begin with the exterior, where the 2018 Entegra Aspire 44B radiates sophistication. The autumn berry graphics scheme ensures this coach turns heads at every destination. Stretching 45 feet, it's built on a heavy-duty Spartan K2 TAG AXLE chassis with full air ride suspension and air brakes, delivering a smooth, commanding ride across any landscape. Powered by a Cummins ISL diesel engine, it generates 450 horsepower and 1,250 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifter for seamless performance. The robust construction promises durability for years of travel. With 60,000 miles, this RV is primed for countless luxurious journeys. The exterior is brimming with upscale features to elevate your outdoor experience. Full pass-through basement storage compartments with a slide-out storage tray provide vast space for camping gear, outdoor equipment, or personal treasures. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV and soundbar creates a perfect setup for outdoor movie nights or tailgating with flair. A power Girard patio awning, power door awning, slide toppers, and window awning package craft a shaded, stylish oasis at any campsite. 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras simplify navigation. A 15,000-pound trailer hitch lets you tow with confidence. Powering your adventures is effortless with this RV's state-of-the-art systems. The Onan 10.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator on a slide-out service tray with auto-gen start delivers robust power for off-grid escapes. A 50-amp service with an extension cord on a power reel, paired with a Magnum inverter charger and battery disconnects, ensures efficient energy management. Three 15,000 BTU roof-mounted AC units with heat pumps and an AquaHot 400D hydronic heating system for hot water and furnace heat keep you comfortable year-round. Heated tile flooring throughout adds a luxurious, cozy touch, elevating every moment on the road. Step inside, and the 44B floor plan unfolds as a serene, upscale haven. 4 full-size slide-outs create an expansive interior that sleeps 2 in lavish comfort, ideal for couples seeking a luxurious retreat. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom and a 100-inch 4-seat power recliner theater seating in the front living room. The full kitchen is a culinary masterpiece, designed for effortless gourmet meals. It boasts stainless steel appliances, including a residential refrigerator and freezer, an induction cooktop, a microwave convection oven, a residential sink with faucet, an extendable countertop, and a dishwasher option for ultimate convenience. The front living area is a serene haven, with a 100-inch power recliner theater seating, an electric fireplace with heat, a 50-inch TV with soundbar, a 32-inch TV above the front seats, and a table dinette with 4 chairs, 2 fold up and stow away. Perfect for intimate evenings or entertaining guests. The heated tile flooring and high-gloss cabinetry create an elegant, home-like ambiance. The table dinette with stowable chairs offers a versatile dining space. The 1.5 bath setup is exceptional, with a private half bathroom featuring a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan. The rear master bedroom is a tranquil oasis, crafted for restful nights. The king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV, ceiling fan, and drawer storage, offers comfort and organization. The slide-out creates a spacious, airy feel, enhanced by elegant window treatments for a warm, inviting vibe. The king bed and power recliner theater seating provide luxurious sleeping for 2, perfect for romantic getaways or solo adventures. And a full-width rear master bathroom with a huge shower enclosure, glass doors, skylight, large sink and vanity, toilet, power vent fan, and wardrobe closets. A stackable washer and dryer makes extended trips or full-time living a breeze. At just $199,900, this CARFAX one-owner 2018 Entegra Aspire 44B is a phenomenal deal for a luxury diesel pusher. Envision embarking on a journey in this 2018 Entegra Aspire 44B, chasing sunsets across coastal highways, mountain trails, or tranquil campgrounds with your loved one. Picture savoring a gourmet meal in the upscale kitchen, lounging by the electric fireplace, or sinking into the king-size bed after a day of exploration. This RV blends the comforts of a luxury home with the freedom of the open road, and its autumn-berry exterior ensures you arrive with unmatched style. With its well-maintained condition, every trip will weave unforgettable memories. Let's uncover why this Aspire is a top contender. Entegra's renowned craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, heated tile floors, and thoughtful features like the power recliner theater seating and Girard awnings. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras and air brakes inspire confidence, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a pleasure. From the dishwasher to the spacious bathrooms, this RV is built for luxury and adventure. Ready to seize this masterpiece? Priced at just $199,900, this 2018 Entegra Aspire 44B is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed luxury diesel pusher. Reach out at 8642-609276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsale.com to learn more or book a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to set you up for your next adventure. Thank you for joining us for this luxurious walk-around of the 2018 Entegra Aspire 44B. Discover more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share. With its 4 slide-outs, 1.5 baths, and unbeatable price, this RV is a must-see. Call us today at 8642-609276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2018 Aspire 44B. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see you explore the road in elegance.